This is Rebecca feeding our birdies. Come on. Come on, little duckins. Come on. Stop being little pussies.
Just lay it on top of the cage for now.
Get some more. To fill the bowl for sugar. Yeah. There's Becca. This is our goose. Her name is Sugar. We have another goose whose name is Nemo. And we have Molly. That's the mom right there. And these are her babies that are now almost adults. We don't have names for them, obviously. There's like so many. These are two of our original ducks. They don't have names either. But they're twins. Come on, Becca. Try to pet Sugar and Nemo. No. Oh. Oh. She has a little ducky. This ducky doesn't have a name. It's an adolescent, but he's kind of pretty. I'm trying to figure out if it's going to look more like a pekin or a scoby. I don't. He's kind of got signs of a mask. That's a he.
Uh-oh.
Gotta be careful because they will crap on you. I want to, before I end this video, I want to show the this little duckling that has green all over it. I think it's a female. She's going to be beautiful.